Okay, we're going to open this. This is the light. Now, I was surprised when I got this. It came in a protective outer box. A lot of good stuff like this inside. And then this tilt here. Inside there like that. Dump this out here. And my little tiny cable. Ooh. And here I have the SL Series video light. And now we're going to open that. I was surprised that it come in a protected box because quite a few things I got recently were not protected at all. So you got this paperwork here. Got a nice long cord, looks like. Yep. Very healthy cord. And what was stuffed in there? Oh yeah. Wow, look at this. Look at this. I didn't expect, oh man, they over-delivered on this. I did not think it would be that big even. Man, that's a light. Quality light. Heavy too. That sucker's heavy. I gotta figure out how to get this out of here. Lift this up. How am I going to lift that up? Oh, there's the handle. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. And this is that, I forget what they call that right in the mount. So, dispose of that. See how's this coming out there. Ooh. Get rid of that. Take it. I don't know what that's for. Sealed. Yeah. Not bad at all. Quality stuff, man. Just take a gander at that. I'll show for this other camera over here. Now I don't have a clue how this all works, but we're going to figure it out. Oh, it even got a slide for an umbrella light here. I'm glad of that, because I didn't really want to put this inside a light box. I will be using an umbrella light, which so there that is. Man, that thing, quality here. Oh look, worn it off. I can see that. Place to plug it in, and ooh, it has a fuse in there. SL Series video light. There you are.